Till now in this lecture series we have covered what is a decimal number system, what is a decimal number system, what is a octal number system, what is a hexadecimal number system, and then today we are going to discuss what is a binary number system. Okay. So, in the previous all videos we know decimal comes from the word deca, that represents 10, and that is why there is 0 to 9 digit, which is 10 digits are there. Then in octal it is coming from the word octa and it represents 8, that means 0 to 7 are the digits and it is a 8 digit system. So, next hexadecimal, hexa word comes from the hexadecimal comes from the word hexa, which represents 16. So, here number is 0 to f, or the f represents 15, where a b c d e f represents 11, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then it is a 16 digit number system. Now, when it comes to binary, so in binary the word bi, so it represents 2. Okay. So, that means here it is a system which represent a number system that uses 2 digits, and here the base is 2. So, what are the 2 digits? So, 0 and 1. So, these are the 2 digits that is used in a binary number system. Now, the question is how we can represent anything in binary number system with only 0 and 1. So, in binary number system a number can be 1 0. Okay. Do not read this as 10 here. So, it is not 10 when it is written in binary, you have to read this as 1 0, that is it. We can write 1 1 1 base 2. We can write 1 0 1 0 base 2, we can write 0 1 1 0, so like this base 2. So, all these are binary numbers. As in case of other number system we can read it as 1 2 3 4 5 6, here it is not like that, we have to just read 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1, so like this. Now, as we are going to read about the digital logic design in this full course, so binary number system will be using huge amount of numbers and application is very high. So, we need to understand that how we can represent the binary number in terms of decimal number, decimal to binary and binary to decimal conversion, that is important. Then octal to binary and binary to octal also we will understand how to do that. Then we will understand how to convert from hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. Okay. So, all this conversion we need to know, and finally, if we can see all the numbers can be represented in its equivalent binary. So, what can be done? If I have to convert from decimal to octal, so I can easily what I can do, I can represent it to binary, and the binary I can represent to octal. So, like this also we can do the conversions. So, these conversions will be reading later in the subsequent videos, all the conversions I will try to cover. In this video just understand that binary number system is a type of system in which 2 digits are used, those are 0 and 1, and they are represented as a combination of 0 and 1, and we do not read that as any specific number, it is read as 1 1 1 1 0 1 0, like this, you have to read this. So, in next video we will be learning about how to convert the one number system to another number system. So, most important number system I will take some more examples also, so that it will be helpful for you.